Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a meatball sub. I had some meatballs left over, so I've just warmed them up. I've got half a baguette and I'm hungry, and I thought what better but to make a meatball sub. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon, get the latest updates, share with your family and friends, and do DM me. Okay, so it's one of the most simplest recipes and sandwiches you could probably make. It just needs some meatballs, some sauce, and some cheese, and I'm just going to go over the top with some basil, really. So just very simple. I'm just going to, if you're taking this out of the fridge, then it is advisable to warm your meatballs up because they'll be cold inside otherwise. So I'm just going to take a little bit of sauce and just present a little bit of sauce at the base of my baguette. Now you could have a baguette, you could use it in a bun. There's no hard and fast rule really, but whatever you use, do ensure that that it's fresh and it's dry. So I'm going to take the meatball. Now my meatballs weren't too big, but they weren't small, so I have half mine. Now I would also turn on your oven as well, because what we want to do next is basically load this with cheese and just grill it off. So I've got 4 meatballs in there. I'm going to put a little bit of sauce, and then now to the coating of the sauce or the cheese that I'm going to use on top, is a blend of basically some cheddar, and I'm going to use cheddar and mozzarella and some freshly grated parmesan as well. So the cheddar is going to give me the taste, the mozzarella is going to give me the stringiness, and the parmesan is just going to be the pierce resistance of taste. It's going to become crusty on top, and that's where the smooth and the crunchiness is going to happen together. Okay, so I'm now going to pop this into the oven for about 10 minutes. I think that should be more than enough to melt the cheese, and I'll see you back shortly. Bye for now.